My name is Kent, and I'm here to show you the ShopFox W1671 benchtop mortising machine by Woodstock International. This award-winning mortiser is designed for a singular purpose: to quickly drill square holes and slots necessary for one of the strongest joints in woodworking, the mortise and tenon joint. This machine creates mortises with ease, saving you hours of production time over conventional methods for each project. Previously awarded top value by Wood Magazine, this mortiser is tough to beat. Mortise and tenon joinery is one of the oldest methods for securing two pieces of wood together, and it is ideal for many furniture projects that require strong joints, such as tables, chairs, benches, bed frames and dressers, or just any time a clean, classic, and oftentimes decorative look is desired. So just how does one drill a square hole with a round bit in one quick stroke? This is done very simply with the right tools, using a hollow mortising chisel and the matched special mortising drill bit. The bit leads the cut into the wood while drawing the chips up and out of the open side of the chisel. The chisel simply cleans up the sides and squares off the corners as the sharp chisel assembly is pressed into the wood simultaneously. The ShopFox W1671, weighing in at 90 pounds, is the champion of benchtop mortisers, and every woodworker needs a dedicated heavy-duty mortising machine like this one to help them create these superior joints. Let's start with some key features that make this a best-in-class mortiser. The 3/4 horsepower, totally enclosed, fan-cooled motor features an aluminum finned housing for long, cool running operation. The spindle turns at 3,450 RPM, allowing you to power through a range of both hard and soft woods with ease. This high-speed direct drive operation allows for faster mortises, so the cutter's in contact with the wood for shorter periods of time with less heat buildup. This prevents the wood from burning and keeps your bits and cutters sharper longer. The sturdy cast iron base features a big 6-inch by 16-inch table for solid work support and stability. The heavy-duty fence and cast iron hold down eliminate unwanted wood movement and the potential for stuck chisels, which can be a problem when trying to mortise on non-dedicated machines like drill presses. The hold down comes with 3 different lengths of support posts, allowing you to mortise into wood up to 8.5 inches thick. The cast iron fence also features a Y-axis micro-adjustable stop for fine-tuning mortise widths and locations. The robust construction of these components ensures accuracy, precision, and repeatability for consistently aligned holes. If you need to mortise larger stock and require extra height and depth capacity, it's no problem with this mortiser's unique swiveling base feature. This can be set up in a few easy steps and allows easy, off-the-bench operations and opens new possibilities for custom mortises. Mortising often generates a good deal of strain on the machine and other components, so strength and rigidity are paramount for accurate, tight-fitting mortise and tenon joints. That's why we've designed the ShopFox benchtop mortiser with dual hardened and ground headstock column supports with a rack and pinion elevation system. This eliminates any unwanted side-to-side play, so your mortises are precise, clean, and accurate. A gas spring provides additional support for steady mortising action, smooth chisel releases, and lifting the heavy headstock unit up to set up to the next cut. It can even be positioned in 3 different locations to allow clearance for a wide variety of board thicknesses. The extra long steel handle is offset to put your wrist in a comfortable position for maximum power and control, and easily adjusts to 6 different indexed positions to provide leverage throughout the full 9 inches of head travel. The adjustable depth stop can be set and locked to the desired depth for perfect, consistent mortises every time. With doors on both sides of the headstock, the 1/2-inch drill chuck is easily accessed for quick chisel changes. This mortising machine accepts chisels with shank sizes of 5/8 inches or 3/4 inches using the supplied bushing adapters, and a 1/2-inch chisel is included to help get you started. Additional chisels can be purchased separately in 6 sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, or you can buy the most popular sizes as a 4-piece set. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can have professional grade mortises on any project. Now you can make these impressive joints in a matter of minutes, and soon you'll be looking for more ways to incorporate this classic look into a wide variety of projects. Whether you're a home hobbyist or a professional woodworker, the W1671 Shop Fox mortising machine will provide years of reliable service and operation and be a great resource for many wonderful projects. It's what you need for your shop. Contact Woodstock International today to find your nearest authorized dealer.